Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the Panda mouse and power ready. Plug in the USB dongle and then power the mouse on. The LED will blink while pairing. Once done, press the pairing button for 3 seconds to force a fresh connection and watch the LED change to a steady light when linked. Make sure your computer recognizes a new HID device. If drivers install, allow them. You'll know it's ready when the cursor moves smoothly. Proceed to basic configuration. You now configure how the Panda mouse behaves. Open the manufacturer app or the OS mouse settings to remap buttons and create profiles. This gives consistent behavior across apps. Change DPI using the dedicated button to jump through preset values, lower for precision, higher for rapid movement, and save each profile to the mouse's onboard memory so settings travel with it. Assign side buttons to back and forward or to custom macros for workflows. Then test in a browser and a game to confirm responsiveness and feel. You finish by verifying reliability and making small tweaks. Run through battery or charge cycles and enable any power-saving options. Make sure to recharge before 10% to preserve battery health. Calibrate the sensor to your mouse pad or adjust lift-off distance so the cursor stays stable when you lift and reposition the mouse. If tracking stutters, repair the dongle, update the mouse firmware via the app, and try a different USB port. These steps resolve most connectivity hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.